Her last kiss. In a small village surrounded by big hills and wide fields of golden wheat, there lived a young woman named Lily. She was very kind and always smiling, making everyone in the village like her a lot. Lily loved Ethan, her best friend since they were kids, more than anything. Everyone in the village knew about their love and talked about how pure and strong it was, believing it would last forever. When spring made everything look new and alive again, Ethan and Lily would meet under a big old oak tree. This tree was very special to them because it was where they shared their dreams and hopes for the future. They talked about living together in a small house near the river and having a happy family. But suddenly, their plans had to change. One evening, as the sun was setting and making everything look golden, Ethan found out he had to go to the city for a big job opportunity. This job could help him make a better future for himself and Lily. Knowing this, they met under their oak tree for what would be the last time in a long while. "I will wait for you," Lily said softly, trying not to cry as she looked into Ethan's eyes. "And I will come back to you, my love," Ethan said, his voice full of sadness. "This isn't goodbye. It's a promise that we'll start a new life together soon." They shared a kiss, full of love and promises, under the oak tree. It was their last kiss, a moment they would always remember, especially in the tough days ahead. Time passed, and Ethan's letters to Lily became less frequent. The village heard rumors about Ethan's new life in the city, including a new woman in his life. Lily didn't want to believe these rumors, holding on to the hope that Ethan's love would bring him back. After many years, Lily received a letter from Ethan that was different from the others. Ethan wrote about his life in the city and how he had found someone else. He asked Lily to forgive him and to let him go. Heartbroken, Lily went to their oak tree. She kissed the tree, pretending it was Ethan, saying goodbye to their love and the future they had dreamed of. Lily didn't fall in love again, but she didn't become bitter. She helped everyone in the village, becoming a symbol of hope and kindness. She found joy in helping others and in the memories of her love for Ethan. Lily's story taught the village about the power of love and the strength it takes to let go. The old oak tree stood tall, a reminder of Lily and Ethan's love, a love that was strong, a love that lasted, and a love that, in the end, was let go with kindness. Years later, a young girl from the village, inspired by Lily's story, asked her how she managed to keep her heart so full of love after such a big loss. Lily smiled gently, her eyes reflecting the wisdom gained through years of joy and pain. "My dear," she said, "when you love someone truly, that love never really leaves you. It becomes a part of who you are, a source of strength and compassion. I chose to use that love to make the world around me a little brighter, a little kinder." Lily's words spread through the village like the warm rays of the morning sun, touching the hearts of those who heard them. People began to see their own struggles and losses in a new light, learning to channel their pain into acts of kindness and love. The village, once just a simple place, became known far and wide as a community where hope and love flourished, all thanks to the lesson of Lily's love. As for the oak tree, it grew even stronger and more majestic, as if nourished by the love and memories it had witnessed. Couples from the village and even from places far away started visiting the tree, sharing their own promises and dreams under its sprawling branches. The tree, Lily, and her story of love, loss, and kindness became a legend, a beautiful reminder that even the deepest sorrow can lead to the creation of something truly wonderful and lasting. One day, a man who used to be a little boy in the village came back after many years. He had heard about Lily's kindness and how she had turned her sadness into something good for everyone. He brought with him a small sapling, a baby tree, and offered it to Lily. "I want this tree to grow here, in our village, as a sign of new beginnings and hope, just like you have shown us," he said with a big smile. Lily was very happy, and together, with the help of the villagers, they planted the new tree near the old oak. As the years went by, the new tree grew tall and strong, right next to the ancient oak. It became another symbol in the village, representing the power of starting over and finding hope after sadness. Children played around it, couples whispered sweet nothings under its leaves, and it became as much a part of the village's stories as the old oak tree. Lily grew old, but her spirit and the love she shared remained young and vibrant in the hearts of all who knew her. The village became a place where people didn't just pass through, but stopped to feel the love and warmth that was in the air. Lily's story, and the story of the two trees, taught everyone that no matter how much you lose, there's always a way to find love and hope again. Years later, a celebration was held in the village to honor Lily's 80th birthday. Everyone, young and old, came together to show their love and respect for the woman who had taught them so much about kindness and resilience. During the celebration, Lily looked around at the smiling faces, the children playing, and the community she had helped nurture. She felt a deep sense of peace and fulfillment, knowing that her life had made a real difference. On that day, Lily shared a piece of wisdom that had guided her through the years. "Life is like the seasons," she said softly, "it changes, and with each change, we must learn to grow and adapt. Just like the trees, we have our times of loss and darkness, but we also have our times of growth and light. Always remember, after every winter comes the spring." The village continued to cherish Lily and the lessons she had taught them. Even after she passed away, her legacy lived on. The two trees, the ancient oak and the sapling she had helped plant, stood as a lasting symbol of her life. They reminded everyone that even in the face of loss, there is always the possibility for new beginnings and that love, once given, never truly fades away. Lily's story became a beacon of hope, not just for the village, but for anyone who heard it, teaching countless generations the true strength found in love and kindness.